Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. Great song here from BREE, RUNAWAY, and Khalid. Great collab there. Be the One. This is the song, and we have this 4 chords that goes round and round in different ways. We will have this picking pattern, but also a strumming pattern. Anyway, same chords over and over again. Great. So let's take a look at the chords. We have first the C major 7. So that is, before we go on, I forgot to mention no need for any cape on this one, but you'll see that. So C major 7. All right. Third on A, second on D, open G, open B, and open E. Then we have the D, and for this song, we have this with open airy version of the D. So that is 5th on A, 4th on D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. Then we have this grip here, sort of a B chord here. So that is 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. And then finally we have standard C. So that is very similar to the C major 7. It's the 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G. So far everything is the same, but now comes the 1st on B, and then open E. Alright, so that's the only difference here, 1st on B or open as in the C major 7. So yeah, let's first take a look at this picking pattern. I think it's cool here. So let's go over chord by chord, starting with C major 7. This one goes like this. Okay, so it's, yeah, you can hold the chord as it is to start with, and then it's 3rd on A, and then you pick the 2nd D together with open G. Then comes a clap, and then you play 3rd on A again, and then you play the open G together with open B, and a clap. So slowly. Then you go over to your next chord, the D, hold the chord as it is. You're gonna play this. So it's the 5th on A. Then you play the open G together with 3rd B, and then a clap. And then you play again the 5th on A, and then you play the open G together with 3rd B again, and a clap. Then you go over to this B grip here, and you follow the same pattern. You play the 2nd on A, and then you play the open G together with 3rd B, and a clap. Then again, 2nd on A, and then open G, 3rd B together, and a clap. And finally, you go to C and play and hold the chord as it is there as well, and play this part. So that is 3rd on A together, then open G and 1st B together, and clap. Then 3rd on A, and then again open G and 1st B together. So you see it's the same kind of pattern here, just different grips and a little bit of different strings as well sometimes, especially in the first chord, C major 7. Otherwise it's the same. The important part here is to get the rhythm right, okay? So it's bass, top, clap, bass, top, clap. So it's so you play the bass, and then top, clap, bass, and here after the second bass you have a little bit of a pause there, and then you answer with the top notes and a clap. So it's, sorry. So it's bass, top, clap, bass, pulse, clap, and then top notes and clap. Alright, so I think you understand that. That is the picking here, and let's finally take a look at the strumming pattern here. Of course, the same chord progression, and one strumming round will now be down, up, clap, up, down, up, clap. All right, so down, up, clap, up, down, up, clap. And after the final clap there, it's a short pause, and then you switch to the next chord. You're gonna play one strumming around per chord, so down, up, clap, up, down, up, clap. That's BREE Runaway and Khalid's Be the One. Give it a try, guys. Cool song to learn, very easy, and yeah, till next time, play tuned.